Best lenses for Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses. When choosing the best lenses for your Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses, it all comes down your lifestyle. For all-day wear, polarized lenses are a top pick. They reduce glare, especially outdoors. If you're often on screen, blue light filtering lenses can help minimize eye strain. For those who want versatility, photochromic lenses automatically adjust to lighting, offering a smooth shift between indoor and outdoor environments. And if you have prescription, Meta offers RX lens options through partnered providers, making the smart glasses not just stylish but also practical for daily vision needs. Choose based on your routine, and you'll get the most out of both passion and function. So that's it.